Let's get into our next crystal deep dive, one of the gentlest calming stones, lepidolite. Lepidolite is known for its soothing, peaceful energy. Many people turn to lepidolite when their thoughts feel heavy or their emotions run high. This stone helps clear stress, worry, and mental tension, inviting a calmer state of mind and a deeper sense of rest. Many people work with lepidolite when they want to create a peaceful mental environment, especially during meditation or transition phases in life. Because of its tranquil frequency, lepidolite is also associated with restful sleep. This stone doesn't just soothe, it supports emotional resilience, encouraging you to gently let go of what no longer serves you, calm overthinking, and help you approach your day with clarity and calm confidence. Lepidolite offers a soft, steady presence of peace, balance, and inner calm. Let's get into the geology of lepidolite. Lepidolite forms as a part of the mica family, rich in elements like lithium. Its composition gives it a beautiful pearly shimmer and delicate texture. Most commonly found in lilac and purple tones, lepidolite's color comes from trace minerals like manganese and its layered mica surface. These layers reflect light in a pearly, soothing pattern that mirrors the stone's gentle energy. With the Mohs hardness of around 2.5, lepidolite is relatively soft compared to many other crystals. This means it requires gentle care. Lepidolite is mined in places like Brazil, Australia, the United States, Canada, and more, often forming along other lithium-rich minerals deep within pegmatites. It commonly forms near amazonite, quartz, and aquamarine. Lepidolite's soft layered structure, shimmering pearly glow, and rich mineral composition are a reflection of calm, patience, and emotional transformation waiting to be experienced. Do you need a way to release stress, restore balance, or find emotional clarity? Then you need lepidolite. Lepidolite is for the dreamers. It's perfect for meditation and energy work, helping to calm the mind and realign your emotions. Hold it in your hand, place it on your third eye or heart, or simply keep it nearby during your practice. Wearing lepidolite allows you to carry its soothing energy with you, helping to ease stress, balance emotions, and promote inner peace. Keep it close to your skin to stay grounded and supported throughout the day. Carry lepidolite as a pocket stone for calm energy throughout the day, or keep it on your bedside table to support restful sleep and dreams free from anxiety. Some people even sleep with a small tumbled piece of lepidolite under their pillow. Its gentle lithium energy reminds you to pause, breathe, and reconnect to your inner peace. Be sure to cleanse your lepidolite often to keep its soft energy clear. Since lepidolite is a fragile stone, we recommend using smoke cleansing or placing it on a piece of selenite. Because of its connection to peaceful sleep, it can also be effective to cleanse lepidolite under the light of the full moon. Whether meditating, working on intentions, or simply sitting with it quietly, lepidolite offers consistent emotional support, mental clarity, and spiritual grounding. Here are 3 reasons you need lepidolite in your collection. Number 1. It is the ultimate worry-relieving stone. Lepidolite naturally contains lithium, making it a powerful, energetic balm to soothe tension and calm racing thoughts. Number 2. It's a powerhouse for emotional healing. If you are going through a major life transition, this stone clears out emotional blockages and instantly stabilizes your mood. And number 3. It clears away the heavy, toxic energy holding you back. It balances your upper chakras so you can tune into your higher self and find deep inner peace. Don't leave lepidolite out of your next crystal shop run, and let me know in the comments which stone we should do next.